Hi, I'm Brian Sheridan, and I'm going to teach you how to juggle. Before we start juggling, let's talk about your juggling balls. Make sure they fit in your hand comfortably, not the size of a ping pong ball and not the size of a grapefruit. When deciding your juggling space, you don't need a field, but you need more than the space under your desk. Your room should work fine as long as you don't have any valuables nearby you could hurt with a stray ball. Now to start juggling. Start with one ball. Throw it back and forth just over the height of your head to get the weight and feel of the toss. This is so you can judge the strength you need so you don't overthrow it or overtoss it. This should be fairly simple, and once you get the hang of it, grab another ball. Now that you have two, here's where it gets interesting. When you throw the first ball in the air, be ready to throw the next one at the tip of the first ball's peak. Start with getting the timing right. This should take a considerable amount of time more than step one. After a while, keeping the flow going and no drops, get ready to grab the third ball. Now for the final step. This step is similar to the last one, so you don't have to worry about whole new concepts. Just another ball. You're going to start with two balls in one hand and one in the other. It doesn't matter whichever one feels right. You're going to be throwing one of the balls from the hand with two to begin with. Once that ball reaches the peak, throw that ball from the other hand. Once that one reaches its peak, throw the last ball. I'm over-exaggerating the height so it's easier to notice. You see, each ball has a specific action happening to it. It's either coming up, going down, or peaking. There are never two balls doing the same action. This is what keeps the flow so orderly. Try doing this process just once to understand the pattern. Don't continue after one rotation. Once you feel good, continue on to 1.5 rotations, 2 rotations, 3, and so on. And soon, you'll be a juggling master. Hey, I hope this how-to video has been very helpful for you. Just remember, with enough time and practice, you too can be a juggling master.